Hello, in this video we are going to walk through how to run basic standard financial reports inside of Acumatica. If we go to our finance workspace, you're going to see under financial statements, there are our different financial statement reports. The first one is our balance sheet. So if we had multiple ledgers, we could set those here. Or if we wanted to run this for a particular financial period, we would set that here. After doing this, we can click Run Report, and here we will see our balance sheet. Should you need to export this or print this, you could certainly do that. And should you need to click in to figure out where some of these numbers are coming from, anytime you see the blue hyperlink, you can always click in, and this will give you more information behind the number that you see. If you wanted to actually go all the way back in to the transaction itself, you can go into the account details, and you can see the account details behind any of the numbers that you see here. Going back to our balance sheet, as you see, you'll have this here. And should you want to export this to Excel, you'd be able to do that right here. The next one is the profit and loss. So here, again, you can run this for a specific ledger, should you have multiple, or a specific financial period, should you like to. You can go ahead and click the Run Report, and this will show you your profit and loss right here. Just as we saw on the last time, if you need to click in and figure out how the system is calculating some of these numbers, you could go in and take a look at the actual general ledger details behind one of the numbers that you see. Again, we have the profit and loss quarterly. Should you want to run this, same parameters, Run Report. This is going to give you the ability to see that profit and loss by quarter. As you see here, this one here is multiple pages, so you can go on to the next page just by clicking the arrow. A couple more. The next one is going to be the cash flow statement. So should you want to see your cash flow, this one here, you can actually set both the start and the end period. By default, it's going to be the same period that you're currently on. But if you wanted to see starting at a particular period, you could always backdate to whatever period you'd like and go ahead and click Run Report. And then this would give you your cash flow statement. And then we have the profit and loss right here. And should you want to run this, you could click the Run Report, and this would show you the particular profit and loss for the specific period that you're working with. So all of those are stored in this finance workspace right here under the financial statements. I hope this video helps, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.